Buenos dias, everybody. Wake it on up and give glory to God for another beautiful day. Today is going to be wonderful and enchanted. Isn't that right, baby Sage? Good morning, I love you. Okay, we gotta get serious, Sage. We gotta meditate, and we gotta pack. We have a plane to catch. Are you ready? Don't forget to meditate. First thing in the morning, every morning. I promise you, it will change your life. Oh. Buenos dias, buenos dias. Ready, baby? Let's go. Come on. Oh, snaps. They already had the car waiting for us. How nice. She fits, she ships. God bless Speedway. So this morning it was so funny because I was like, oh my God, I would kill for a Speedway cappuccino right now, but I didn't really think it was possible because we were going to the airport and I wasn't driving. But Kate had to go to the bathroom, so we got to stop and get a coffee. Miracle manifested. Check.
Okay. See you guys at the gate.
God is really, really, really awesome because let me tell you that every single person we've ran into today has been so friendly and so helpful and so positive and has just been smiling and it's been a light. So, yay, I love manifesting awesome people throughout our day. Stay positive, guys. It's gonna be a good flight. This way, baby Sage. Excellent news. We successfully made this flight as well. Almost done boarding. Ready to take off, baby? Good baby. You're such a good baby. Hey, girl. Hey.
Oh, hello.
Ash Bash in for the pickup. Time to go train with Mickey right now, but I'm starving from that flight. So me and Ash are gonna check out this new acai place that we just found along the way. Hopefully that'll fill me up with energy so that way I can go kick Mickey's butt. Love you. Love you. God bless America. So hungry right now. Hi there. You too. I am so grateful for this acai right here. It's literally saving my life. Oh, and before I leave, this was the other little miracle of the day. Ashley brought me this, and I had just lost that guy on my last flight. And so I was just thinking, oh, I need to get another little neck pillow. And poof, the universe always delivers, baby.
That's right.
God is great.
That's right.
I just had to let you know you're
Just rolling up to my Ashley with my suitcase. Hey. Mickey!
Nope.
Drive into that body. Drive into it.
Double jab right now.
Fit 3 seconds. Get one more.
Let's go.
That's a minute.
I'm gonna beat Mickey. No. Oh yeah. I can hula hoop like this for days.
I can do this for days. I like 3, 4 days probably.
Mickey, you don't stand a chance against me and
Yeah,
my
I
hula
do.
hooping skills, okay?
Yeah, I do. I'm down on my weights already. Stop messing around. Stop messing around.
Oh shit!
Damn.
You're dropping it!
I gotta get
You're
them.
dropping it, Mickey!
Come on.
You're dropping it! Woo! Oh yeah! incredible session with Mickey, the Madman Marsack.
Boom, done.
Thank you, Mickey. See ya. And that's how you do it. Straight from the airport to go train with Mickey. Don't miss a session with your trainer, guys. You'll regret it. Paige likes the car. She likes the sunroof. I feel like we have successfully eaten sushi about every single day this week, so I wanted to switch it up. I called my sister and asked if she wanted some Mediterranean food, and she said she would love some. So I'm gonna grab some Mediterranean for everybody, and I'm headed to my sister's. This is the spot right here. Oh yeah, them shrimp and them veggies, the hummus and the garlic. Plus we got the fadouche in the house. Mediterranean was a total success, and cue the food coma.